Welcome Zishan, welcome Black, welcome stranger. Welcome Rick. Okay, so today's debate topic, let me pin it down for you again, guys. You people are late to the voice room. Is it better to be rich without education or educated without wealth? So it's today's debate topic is this one. So guys, as you all know that this topic is related to both wealth and education, because we already know these both the things, wealth and education, are powerful in different ways. But I want to know your opinion. Okay, is it better to be rich without education or educated without wealth? So what do you think? Annie, do you need some time? You can speak after Saranya if you want. Okay, because you are new to the voice room. I'll give you a chance later. Okay? Saranya, it's your turn. Please go ahead and share your opinion.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, Kuma, to give this opportunity to talk this voice room. I don't agree. The 2 points, like, is better to be rich without education. I don't agree with that, and educated without wealth also. Like, see, everything should be in purpose, right? For example, someone who is from the very poor background, like they wants to improve their wealthy in financial thing, right? So that's why the family members, even the kids, they are studying hard to make that family financially stable in future. So we need purpose, right? So just education, it's like, it's not like you know a lot of things. Like most of the people, what they are doing, like they get very knowledge and they get educated because they wants to financially, they wants to be very stable in future. So that's why people are, they are more focusing on education, right, compared to other stuff. So my point of view, like, if you want to be I want to be educated and wealth also. So my thing is very different from this point.
Thank you so much, Saranya, for sharing your opinion. First of all, don't say we know knowledge, very much knowledge. Don't say we know knowledge. We gain knowledge actually. Okay, don't say we know knowledge. Okay, we gain knowledge, you can say. And second thing, in the beginning, you have made one more mistake about, you can say my opinion related to this topic is, like that you can share. Okay, Saranya, thank you so much for sharing your opinion. Can you please give us one example? Saranya, am I audible to you? Can you please give me one example related to what you have shared with us?
Yeah, sure. Like, even the society, right? Most of belongs from, I have to say, even my brother, we belongs from the rural area. My parents, they didn't study anything, but my brother, he got engineering degree. Then um, uh, he got a good marks, and he placed in a good company. Now he is working in US. So my family, before financially we are very backward, but now we are, like, he's working in US, so he financially, everything is like, even eventually it's increased now, right? So my parents, they are not struggling at all. So this is the example for, if you have an education, you will get wealthy in future. So this is my
Okay.
point of view about this topic.
Okay. Thank you so much, Saranya, for sharing your opinion. Don't say we belongs to village. You can say we are from village. And second thing, our family was backward. Don't say our family was financially weak. Before our family was financially weak. Don't say financially backward. Okay. Thank you so much, Saranya, for sharing your opinion. Thank you so much. Stranger, it's your turn. Please go ahead and share your opinion.
Okay, thank you, Huma. I would like to say about this topic. Is it better to be rich without education? Anyone can become rich without education. But if anyone educate properly, then they become advanced rich, early rich. That's why both are required in our life. Education also required, and education lead your reach. If you want to become rich, then definitely education help you, because of education generate income source. If you become rich without education, people they become a rich person without education. It doesn't require also. If you want to be rich without education, you can be. But if you have degree, if you have education on your hand, then definitely within short period you become rich, because you get technique formula also, and your qualification, your degree generate income source. That's why education is a required to be rich, and without education also people become rich. And second thing, educated without wealth. Absolutely, without wealth, anyone can be educated. Educated is a vast, it is a knowledge. Educated also in a imagine less, and we can learn all time, all situation. It doesn't require any kind of uh, education. It doesn't require any kind of age or any kind of. Education is a ocean, that is a knowledge is a ocean, that is a different part. But educated without wealth, it is possible. Educated anyone can, they have a passion, they have a determination, they have a devotion, then definitely they become a educated. We can learn from all situation, we can learn from all people, and without interest we cannot do it anything, right? Education, educated is a,
Okay.
we cannot, we should not underestimate anyone. We should learn from everyone, even though animals also, from animals also. That's why it doesn't require any kind of wealth. It is required only interest, enthusiasm.